Hey guys, DK Dev here. Sorry I haven't been posting any videos lately. It's been like a week, but I was on vacation and you know how it is, fun time. But now that we're back, we got a couple of things to talk about. Just the first thing, it is indeed January 2nd right now, and my contest does end January 5th. So that means you guys have 3 more days to get in entries if you're planning on entering one. So let's get that going. Come on. Alright, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make one of your first Mac apps. So basically, go ahead and open up your Xcode and create a new Xcode project. And instead of being in our usual iOS, like a view-based or window-based, either one, we're going to go ahead to Mac OS X, application Cocoa application. You can really title this whatever you want. I suggest titling it like something like a hide, but I'm just going to go test because this is just a test for me. Okay, now that I'm here, I'm just going to open up our window. And now this is a very simple application for starters, and that's why it's very good for beginners. And that's because it doesn't involve any coding at all. So once you get here, just go ahead and open up your main menu. And Interface Builder will open up. And if you guys are familiar, or at least know what the whole Mac Interface Builder looks like, then this should be relatively easy for you. So yeah, we just got a regular screen, and that's really all we need. Now we got to go get a couple of buttons. Let's see. Let's drag in 2 textured buttons. Oh, good. And that's good for right now. The first one's going to just say hide. And this other one's going to say unhide. And if you want to get a lot better, because this is basically the whole application, just go unhide applications. And hide applications. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and make those nice and wide. Because after all, those are almost everything that's on the screen. Nice and center it. Alright, now that we got that, we're almost set. We have a couple other things. They're not really necessities, but we are going to do it. For me, I like to make things nice and pretty, as you guys know. I'm just going to put in this horizontal line. It's going to stay right there. This just kind of breaks it off from the rest of it. I mean, you guys can do whatever you want to make it look nice. If you guys know what I mean, this is cool. Okay. Now that we have that, we need 2 more buttons, or necessities, I guess. So let's go ahead and get, this time, just round direct buttons. Those are fine. And these are going to be called close. Oh, actually, this is going to be called hide. Copy that and paste another one. This one's going to be called quit. And so these are basically the this actual application settings. So I guess if you want, you can actually say that. I think I'm going to. So let's just make those right there in the middle. So now we're going to get a little bit of text. We'll get some labels. Right here, we'll say this application settings. So now you can really tell. You can tell the difference between those two. And I'm going to get one more label, put it right in here, and it's just going to say or. That way you know these are the 2 things you're selecting. Now, everyone can get into technical. You can obviously make your own little header if you wanted to. You could say whatever you're going to call your application. But this is all you really need, so I'm just going to stop right here with the necessities. Alright, now that you've gotten that, it's time to connect things to what their meetings are. So you're going to go ahead and click on Hide Applications, hold down Control, and drag it to the application. And here, you're going to click Hide Other Applications. You're going to click on this one now, drag it to Also Application, and click on Unhide All Applications. Now, as you can see so far, it has been very simple, and it's going to continue to be very simple. So after you've made this, you'll kind of understand how connecting buttons to the application are. Maybe you can experiment and make your own kind of things. So we're going to drag Hide up to Hide, not Other Applications, but this application. And then we're going to drag Quit to terminate. Alright, now you can go ahead and save that, and you're really all set there. I mean, you guys are, I'm assuming, are pretty experienced with this whole interface builder Xcode, so you guys can add anything you want. I mean, this stuff is pretty self-explanatory, but we're basically done with the necessities. So now let's go back into our Xcode and build and run. And here it is. Here is our test. As you can see, it has the whole header here. header here. You guys can edit that any way you want. I'll go back in a second and show you how that works. But basically, this is how the app works. As you can see, my whole computer is clustered with all these applications. Oh, wait. All I need to do is click on Hide Applications, and they're all gone. So now I'm back on my desktop. There's nothing in front of me. Everything's gone. It's all organized. That's what people like about this application. Then when you're done, you can just go ahead and click Unhide Applications, and you're all set. Hide or close it, doesn't really matter. You're all set there. You can add an icon if you would like. That's pretty self-explanatory as well. Put an icon.png in the resources, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you found it useful. Bye.